Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to share with you how you can prepare these aloo vadas without frying them easily at home. So you can see by the texture it is so delicious and yummy. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here I have taken 3 boiled medium sized potatoes. After boiling, let it cool down completely. Now take the potato masher and mash it as I am showing you here. Do not grate the potatoes, we need some texture in the potatoes, so that's why we use the potato masher. Once the potato mashed into the pan, add 1 tablespoon of any cooking oil. You can take any oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the seeds crackle for about a minute. Once the seed starts crackle, add 2 pinch of asafoetida. It will help in digesting the food. 5 to 6 curry leaves and saute it so that it turns slightly aromatic. And now add 2 chopped green chilies. You can add more if you like it. Now 4 to 5 chopped garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger chopped, and saute it until it change its color. It will take about a minute or so. Once the garlic change its color, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or according to your taste, and saute the dry ingredient so that it won't burn. Make sure the heat is on low flame at this point. After that, add the boiled and mashed potatoes in this mixture. And now mix all the ingredients into the potato. Once you have mixed all the dry ingredients, add 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste and give it a quick mix until everything mixed together with the potatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander or dhania or cilantro. Onto the medium heat, break all the big chunks of potatoes and roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes until the moisture is properly gone and it is slightly dry in texture as you have seen here. After 3 minutes, you will notice the potatoes are combined together. Switch off the heat and let it cool down the potatoes. Into the separate bowl, take 1 cup of gram flour or besan, half teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain. It will help to digest the food. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 pinch of asafoetida or hing, half teaspoon of salt. Remember, we have already added the salt in the mixture. Now give it a quick mix so that each and every dry ingredients mix properly. And then add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now gradually add the water and prepare the lump-free batter. Do not add water at once. We are looking for the thick batter and it needs to be in the running consistency as I am showing you here. So you have to keep on beating this, and this is how it looks like, and the batter is ready. Set this aside. Now the potato mixture is completely cooled down. Take a lemon size ball, or you can take the ball size according to your choice, big or small, and now roll it. The ball is ready. Place it into the plate and set the plate aside. Similar way, take another portion from the potato mixture. You have to keep in mind while making the balls, the mixture needs to be at room temperature, not hot, not warm. So the second ball is also ready. Similar way, I am going to prepare rest of the balls. So after preparing all the balls are ready as you have seen here. There is no crack, nothing, very clean. Now for the next steps, I have here batter ready and the potatoes are ready. Now today I am going to prepare the vadas into the air fryer. I am using the match cook function. If you have dual air fryer, you can follow these steps. If you don't, then you can just select the air fryer function instead of selecting the match cook function for using both the baskets. Now select the air fryer function and then set the temperature at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and for 5 minutes first we have to preheat the air fryer, and once it is done then I will show you. And you have seen it's off. Now cancel and remove it carefully. After that, place the parchment paper or the butter paper into the air fryer basket as I am doing here. Once you have placed the parchment paper into the air fryer basket, dip one potato ball into the batter and coat it well, and with the help of spoon, one by one, start placing the balls of vada into the air fryer basket. You have to do it carefully because the basket is hot. Here I have placed all the vadas into the basket. Now insert the basket into the air fryer. Again start the air fryer match cook function and then 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or you can set it for 10 minutes depending upon the quantity. After 5 minutes, press the pause button, remove the basket and then coat it with the oil, or you can use the spray, however you feel comfortable. This step is really important, and don't worry about the oil, it will automatically came inside the basket. So don't worry how much you are coating or not, but you have to lightly grease it. Once you have greased the vadas, this is the second basket. You have seen I have properly coated all the vadas. Insert the basket into the air fryer again and then start the button. Once it is done, then I will show you. You have seen the 10 minutes is over. Now cancel the function and you have seen it's almost done. But I want to make it more crispy, so just I have to flip it. I am using the spoon. You can use spatula or your hand, but it is very hot, so be careful. And this is the ready, and you have seen it is slightly hot, so I am going to remove the parchment paper and then I am going to remove all the vadas from the parchment paper, and now again place the vadas upside down into the air fryer basket without the parchment paper and lightly spray or grease it, and then again insert it into the air fryer. Now this time I am going to set the temperature at 350 degrees for 5 minutes, and once it is done then I will show you what is the final result. And you have seen it's being 5 minutes over. I have cancelled the function and you have seen, wow, it smells so good and there is no drop of air. Carefully remove it into the plate. You have seen how yummy these are, and here I have removed all the vadas. It looks so yummy, and the marks that you are seeing, it is from the tray. And this is the second batch. You have seen I have baked these for only 10 minutes and previous one I have baked for 15 minutes. So depending upon your choice, I have served it with some burgers because the burgers is easily available here, but if you are in India you can serve it with some pav or some green chilies, some imli chutney, however you want to. Hope you like this idea of making no fry vadas using air fryer, and in winter season enjoy this no fry vada pav. And if you like this easy recipe of vada pav, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.